Vandeham.
Then turned around to us and said, how does the bird know how to fly? This was the cue for those who knew. Instinct, Prabhupada, said one who wanted to represent the modern scientists, and Prabhupada immediately felt arisen. That is just a name. They do not know. The Lord, Paramatma, is in the heart of the little bird and directing him to fly. So whatever Prabhupada saw, even a little bird who made his first flying excursion or flying attempt, Srila Prabhupada connected to Krishna, and that was very visible during the morning walks. Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya.